I compared all the phones with the name Turbo series this year, and indeed found that iQOO understands us gamers better. Brothers, the newly released iQOO Z Turbo Plus clearly can't distinguish between the big and small kings, but take a look at what is truly the god of the 2000 price range Turbo. It has a large battery with 8,000 cold stones and the same self-developed gaming chip shell as the iQOO 13. Just looking at these parameters, at least in terms of performance, it can definitely sit at the same table with all the performance-focused terminals this year, and the screen is equipped with Huaxing C9 Plus luminescent material. Additionally, it also has full brightness LED self-adjusting light and 4320Hz PDW dimming options. You can adjust them according to your habits in the developer community. If we keep saying the screen is glaring, it would really be impolite. But today, we still need to focus on its gaming performance. As usual, let's continue with Piece Elite. You can see it comes with 140 frames right out of the box. Then we enable the 1080p frequency and we'll use Liu Shang's 140 frames for testing. Let's first look at the early performance with nearly 20 frames or so during intense gunfights. The actual test performance is still very stable, mostly maintaining above 140 frames. Of course, there are small fluctuations, but they occur after the shooting, and it won't stutter during gunfights. Because the fluctuations are not frequent at all, the impact on operation can basically be ignored. Honestly, if I didn't look at the frame rate display, I wouldn't be able to tell. But the value of a 144Hz game in the summer probably doesn't need me to elaborate. After the room temperature rises later, it will stabilize at 120 frames. Anyone who often plays this game knows that if you want a smooth and stable 140 frames in the summer, you still need to ensure good cooling. However, heavy gamers usually have a cooler on hand, so this can be ignored. After switching back to 120 frames, it can easily maintain around 120 frames, and even later, there was no frame lock situation. If we compare 120 frames very fairly, the gaming performance of the iQOO Z Turbo Plus is absolutely not a problem. In the end, I still want to say that you can always trust Launch Factory's tuning. Okay, after playing for 1 hour, the battery dropped by 14%, with an ambient temperature of about 25 degrees and a room temperature of about 44 degrees. What do you all think of this performance? Shawnee.